Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we are going to learn about the basic trigonometry. So let's start. Here you can see the tan of x, that is equals to 1. So here we need to find the basic angle by taking the tan inverse of 1. So let's check. Shift with tan inverse of 1 pi by 4. So alpha is pi over 4. Now we'll see where tan is positive. So here we have, here tan is positive in the third quadrant, and here the tan is positive in the first quadrant. So tan is positive in the first and the third quadrant. Here the tan is positive in the first and the third quadrant. For the first quadrant there is no change in angle. It means alpha would be equals to x. But in the third quadrant we need to add basic angle or alpha into pi. Now simplify the question. So here you can see for first quadrant x would be equals to alpha, and that is equals to pi over 4. For third quadrant x is equals to pi plus alpha, so pi plus pi over 4. Calculated, you will get 5 pi over 4. Let me show you. So shift pi plus pi over 4, that is equals to 5 pi by 4. Now I will verify the answers. So tan of pi over 4, that is equals to 1. It's verify. Now the next is tan of 5 pi by 4. So, tan of 5 pi over 4, that is also 1. So it's verify. Now next problem. Here we have a negative value of tan. So first of all we need to find the basic angle. So that is the tan inverse of square root of 3. Okay, we'll find the basic angle by using the calculator. So shift with tan inverse of square root of 3, that is pi over 3. So we'll write pi over 3. So tan is negative. We'll check where the tan having a negative value. So you can see that the tan is negative in second quadrant, because here we have sine positive, and in the fourth quadrant where the cosine is positive. So definitely cosine positive, so tan would be negative, the sine will also negative. So it means we need to subtract basic angle from pi and basic angle from 2 pi. So pi minus alpha and 2 pi minus alpha, because tan is negative in the second and the fourth quadrant. Okay. So here for second quadrant x is equals to pi minus alpha. So pi minus pi over 3. So that would become 2 pi over 3. Show you work. Shift with pi minus 2 pi by 3. For fourth quadrant, x is equals to 2 pi minus alpha. So 2 pi minus pi over 3. 2 pi minus pi over 3. So 5 pi by 3. So here the two angles we got 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Now I will verify by the calculator. The answer should be negative square root of 3. So I will take 10 to shift with pi over 3. The answer is negative square root of 3. That's verify. And then I will check 10 fraction 5 pi over 3. That is also negative square root of 3. So it's all. Now I will show you how to make a table if you want to know the exact angle or exact answer. So here I will draw a table. Okay, so here we have a 0 degree or angle 0, 30 degree or pi over 6, 45 degree or pi over 4, 60 degree or pi over 3, 90 degree or pi over 2. We'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each number by 4. Take the square root of each number. Now I will write sine, cos and tan. When we divide 0 with 4, the answer would be 0. So square root of 0 would be 0. 1 square root would be 1. 4 square root would be 2. 2 square root written as it is and 4 square root would become 2. Square root of 3 would be written as it is and 4 square root would be 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 square root would be 1. Now I will reverse the order. The first 1 will come, then square root of 3 over 2 come, then root 2 over 2 come, then 1 over 2 and then 0. I shift the sine value in the cos value, okay, or flip the all values. Now for the tan, we know that the tan is basically sine over cos. So I divide. So 0 divided by 1, 1 over 2 divided by this, root 2 and root 2 over 2, root 3 over 2 over 1 over 2 and 1 over 0. So now 0 divided by 1 is 0. Denominator cancel with the denominator. 1 over square root of 3, that is cancel out is 1. The denominator cancel with the denominator, so square root of 3, and 1 over 0 is undefined or infinity. So these are the exact value if you want to make from the table. Thank you very much, students. Allah Hafiz.